Make sure the cables are all the way on the top. There's a little tricky now how we start this exercise so you don't get tendonitis and certain things. Go ahead and grab the cables. Now you're going to step back and tuck in your arms by your side. Shoulders back and down, chest up. Go slightly fast and go forward. Bring that weight with you. Perfect. You want to bend forward, downward, so the cables are lined up with your arms when you're hitting the set. Now push your arms in front of you. Beautiful. Right in the center of your chest. You don't want your hands straight. You want them slightly bent on this one. Just like that. Breathe in on your way back. Come down till your elbows meet your shoulders. Blow out on the way in. You want to come down to a 90-degree angle. And then squeeze it out and squeeze that chest. Keep your head nice and straight. Abs are tight. He's not moving back and forth. Look at how he's not going like this during the set. It's straight. It's solid. He's coming down and squeezing his chest.